Hi guys, welcome back to Alexi's channel. Let's start my today's haul. Most of them contain only dresses and one kurta and one coat set, I think so. I'm gonna start with the dress because this is the most in majority. Okay, so first thing I got is this one, and this is what I got in real life. It looks really shapeless now because I'm holding it, but when someone actually wears this dress you look really beautiful, and the quality is similar from like this Numi and Urbanica quality, so I actually like it and it looks so much better in real life than in the website. About this dress, I just want to say that if you're a tall girly, I think it will be just below your knee, but if you're a short girly it will be for a maxi dress for you. That's I want to clear. So before telling about the details, check out the quality. It's a bit thin quality and it's obviously synthetic, and it has adjustable strap, it has a zipper at the side too, and when you wear this you can make a ribbon by pulling this string according to how big your bust is and how small your bust is, which is a good thing. Main character of this dress is obviously the back side because it has like this corset thingy which you can tighten it up so that you can have like this body hugging wala dress. So I really like that. You can just adjust it according to how big your waist is. So 10 on 10 for that. But only the thing is, like, I feel like this string is way too like extra unnecessary long, so I feel like you have to cut it a bit because these are too long, man. These will just drag down along the floor like when you wear this dress. So I would recommend you this dress. This is 10 on 10 according to the price I paid. It's a very good one and looks so beautiful also. Okay, so the second outfit I got is a dress. Obviously this is what it looks like in website and this is what I got in real life. I think it's just a maxi dress like this. Although I love the print is really cute. It's giving major spring vibe. Look at this, it's like hibiscus. It is a really cute print, and this is actually a very comfortable maxi dress. There's a zipper also here at the side, and this is georgette, so obviously there's two layer. But one thing I wish is, as you can see in the picture, I wish the inner layer was long enough with the outer layer also, that if you want this dress, just go one size or two size smaller, yeah, to have that perfect fitting. Because I ordered in S, but still it's very loose, and somehow like the neck, chest, it's not a deep neck, but I feel like it's very low. It should be like up here, but it's very low, so I didn't find that comfortable. Yet overall I would rate 9 out of 10 to this dress. So this is the third item I got, and this is what it looks like in real picture. Now this dress is 10 on 10. There's no defect. Whatever you're seeing in the website right now, it's exactly like that. You will exactly get that in real life too. So let me come to the detailing. First of all, the quality is very summer and spring appropriate. This is like this polyester material, and there's no adjustable strap. You have to tie a ribbon around this part of your body, and then in the chest area you will see a bit of like elasticity going on here. There's a little bit of stretchability here, which I think they just put it for design to make it like a bit more interesting maybe. And this is the print, just see for yourself. And also it has a zipper at the back, and this is a midi dress. I would recommend you this. This is also 10 on 10. Okay, so the next dress I got is this, and what I got in real life. Now this dress is 10 on 10 because this is entirely through the picture. There's no scam, no like drawback. Whatever you see in the website is actually what you will get in real life too. Okay, before I jump into the detailing, just see for yourself the material. Okay, so this is the front part. You can see there's two strings, so you can just make a bow out of it. And this is the hand part. Now I find a hand part, I mean the sleeves part, a bit awkward because what style is this? Why there's like a layer here? I don't know if you can see, but I don't know, I find that weird. But overall it's a nice one. And in the wrist part there's elastic, in the back side it's like this, nothing cut out, no crazy thing. And this is a maxi skirt, very modest and simple. So if you're a girlie who has like strict parents or something like that, you can totally wear this. This is 10 on 10. Okay, so the next outfit I got is a coat set from this, and this is what I got. This is what it looks like. The quality is again chiffon material. I mean, I love the color, I love the stripes, and I feel like this type of corset, like the vest corset, was so much in trend in 2023 and 24 as well. So this is for all the office going girly, this is what it looks like. And I love the fact that they gave this, because I don't like to do this shit when I'm just like, if the cloth is not fitted, I have to like tie a rubber band or a hair clip in the back. Like all the fashion influencers will know me. So I really love the fact that it comes like that, because sometimes I don't even prefer elastic. I prefer this type of string. This is the pants. About the pocket, it's pretty nice because you can, it's not like one of those pocket which are very small. It's actually a bit deep, so you can like, you know, keep your small things in here. And about the pants, I wish it was like a bit more baggier, because you know I like baggier clothes. But I understand this is a corset. Like I feel like this is one of those formal corsets. So the design of this pants are like this, one of those cigarette pants. It looks like this. Yeah, so it's like that. Okay, so the next item is this dress. I forgot to shoot this, so I'm just gonna add this clip in the middle of this vlog. So this is what it looks like, and this is what I got now. So this is entirely through the picture. Whatever you're seeing in the website, you will exactly get the dress like that. There's no clickbait, nothing. The quality is a bit stretchable, as you can see, but the stretchability is very like little, it's not that much. And about the stitching also, like the stitching is average, it's not that nice, it's not that bad. And it looks like this. It's gingham, and then it's covered by this floral print all over like this. It's a mini dress. It's actually a very cute and aesthetic dress, and it has this mini slit at the side of the dress. Here also it's like that. If you're thinking to buy this, please wear seamless underwear and like bra, because if you're not wearing seamless underwear and bra, it can look a bit tacky when you wear this. So I don't want you to guys go through the second-hand embarrassment, so that's why I'm just telling you. So the last item I got is a set of kurta. It looks like this, and this is what I got. I absolutely love it. This is 10 on 10. Now nothing much to say about this kurta. Let me just show you. This comes in like this dusty mauve pink. It looks like this, and I absolutely love the lace detailing on the neck area. And this is the hands part. Quality is thin because obviously it is for like summer and spring, but I think you can still rock in winter also. If you just wear a body thermal and just put a shawl or a cardigan, I think you will be good to go for that. So look at the design. It looks like this. Nothing much to say. The bottom looks like this. Now the pants, nothing much to say. It's white in color. I just want to say the quality is really thin of the pants, but I think that's not a problem because you're gonna cover it up with this also. So I think it's good to go. That's it for my today's video. I hope you guys like it. Share, comment, subscribe, whatever you need to do so that my channel would grow. I feel like I'm growing very slowly. Like I was growing so fast like last year, but then this year, girl, I don't know what happened. So please help out your girl. I do so much for you. You guys can do this for me. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you in my next video, and also Happy New Year.